the future of warfare may look nothing like the battles most people grew up imagining. Instead of soldiers leading the charge, the US Army is now testing a battlefield where drones move in first. During a recent live-fire exercise at Fort Campbell, Kentucky, the 101st Airborne Division showed how drones can scout, track targets, and even make first contact before troops step into danger. Army leaders say this shift is happening faster than expected, with drones and AI completely changing how combat works. Traditional advantages like distance and hiding are becoming less effective, as modern technology gives armies the ability to see, react, and strike faster than ever before. One of the biggest moments from the exercise was seeing drones make the first move before troops even entered dangerous areas. Think about that for a second. For decades, soldiers were usually the first people exposed to enemy fire. But now, drones are being sent ahead to scout, search, and even establish first contact before humans step in. That's a massive shift in military strategy. The Army used several different drone systems during the training exercise. One of the most advanced was the MQ-1C Gray Eagle, a large military surveillance drone capable of gathering huge amounts of battlefield information from the sky. Alongside it were smaller reconnaissance drones and newer experimental systems designed for close-range operations. These drones worked together with special forces and army units on the ground, almost like an extra set of eyes in the sky. And honestly, that's exactly what they are. Before soldiers even moved forward, drones were already scanning buildings, hills, and possible enemy positions. Army drone operator specialist Basil Holland explained it perfectly. He said drones are great for over-the-hill reconnaissance, meaning they can check dangerous areas before troops walk into them blindly. In simple terms, drones are now doing the risky part first. What makes this even more important is that it's not just about drones flying around with cameras anymore. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of the equation too. With AI helping process information quickly, armies can react faster than ever before. Drones can identify movement, track targets, and send battlefield information back to commanders almost instantly. That speed matters a lot in combat. In older wars, commanders often had to rely on delayed information from scouts or radio reports. But now, real-time surveillance changes decision-making completely. Troops can adapt within seconds instead of minutes or hours. And this is where traditional combat really starts to fade away. The battlefield is becoming less about who has more soldiers and more about who has better information. Whoever sees first usually reacts first, and whoever reacts first often wins. That's why military leaders are investing so heavily in drone technology right now. One quote from the exercise probably explains the entire situation better than anything else. Army planner Sammy Stevens said, "In the past, troops were trained to look down for roadside bombs. Now, we have to look up in the air." That single sentence shows how modern warfare has evolved. For years, one of the biggest dangers for troops was hidden explosives on roads or in buildings. But now, threats can come from above at any moment. Small drones can monitor movements, gather intelligence, or even carry weapons. And it's not just large military drones anymore either. Smaller, cheaper drones are becoming more common across battlefields around the world. That means armies now have to train differently. Soldiers are learning how to detect drones, avoid drone surveillance, and coordinate with friendly drones at the same time. It's basically creating an entirely new style of combat. Another important part of this exercise was collaboration between active duty forces and the US Army Reserve. The goal is simple: share lessons quickly so the entire military can adapt faster. Because technology is moving incredibly fast right now, armies can't afford slow learning processes anymore. If one unit discovers better drone tactics or smarter battlefield strategies, the military wants that information spread immediately. That helps avoid costly mistakes while speeding up the rollout of new systems and training methods. And honestly, that might be one of the biggest challenges moving forward, keeping up with how quickly warfare itself is evolving. At this point, it's becoming clear that traditional combat is slowly being replaced by something far more technology-driven. The recent US Army exercise at Fort Campbell wasn't just another training drill. It felt more like a preview of the future battlefield. One where drones scout first, AI processes information instantly, and soldiers rely heavily on machines before stepping into danger themselves. And while human troops are obviously still essential, the role of drones is expanding faster than many people expected. The battlefield of the future may not be led by tanks or massive troop movements anymore. It may be led by whoever controls the sky first. So that's what we know so far. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.